massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. This place is to the game. So much prestige, so much pride whenever football is played here. Already we're underway here. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Yeah, Kylian Mbappe. There's nothing more frightening for a defender when he's running at you at full speed. He gets into his stride so quickly and seems to just glide across the turf. But when the goal's in front of him, he's also got that cool head that's required to pick a spot and finish everything off.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for.
Jacob really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Sergio Ramos drives it forward. Casemiro. Sergio Ramos. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Matic. And now they can launch a counter. Vieira. Has he picked him out? And he's there to cut it out. There really wasn't very much in that, not far away from being a telling final ball.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Vieira. This is promising.
That's just an example of overcommitting, and they're fortunate for the quality of the intervention. It was vital.
Real chance! There it is! A pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to when it comes to shooting shots. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserved to.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Mbappe. Mbappe. Timely intervention. In it goes! Hot knife through butter! They have done it again! So the lead now is 2.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Sergio Ramos clips one through. Forward it goes. Just brushed off the ball there. And it's Fellaini. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Needed a better pass there. Played back in. Fellaini. Tries to get it forward quickly. Well positioned to make that interception. Matic. Koulibaly looks to dink one in. And he's cut it out. Tries to dink it in. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. And TT. Oh, he's come up against a brick wall there. Danilo Pereira. Ball through needs to be good here. And here's the chance to counter. Casemiro. Fellaini tries to stroke it through. Right through the middle. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Sergio Ramos. Cristiano Ronaldo. Finds himself eased off the ball. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Matic drives it forward. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Titi. Fellaini. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Casemiro. Cristiano Ronaldo!
That's a cracking strike, and it may have stung the palms of the keeper.
Hoists it forward. Matic. Cristiano Ronaldo. Casemiro. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration. Well, the moans and groans from the stands now are very audible.
And it's played forward. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
No offside. Do something.
Dinks one in. Barcelona have it back and they can go again. Ronaldinho hits one! Titi coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Shapes to shoot! And it's there! And the lead is extended still further. What about that, Jim Beglin?
Mbappe is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Oh, real danger here. Rashford gets flagged offside. Keeper's got good distance on that. Good ball. Goes for goal! He's kept it out, just.
Good play all round. He was well hustled and still got a shot away.
Triol is there to heave it away. Sergio Ramos tries a shot! Outstanding save to keep that out.
It was the first touch to die for, and it set him up beautifully.
Casemiro. Back into the middle. Rashford. Hit long and direct. Nicely measured pass. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. It's a throw in. Ronaldinho. And here's Rashford. Casemiro. He's got it, and he's got time. Oh, great defending, that needed doing. And the first 45 minutes are up. As easy as 1, 2, 3. It really has been that straightforward. Halfway through the match, but very little to suggest that much will change over the second half.
Peter, do I really need to say anything, or can I simply refer you to the scoreline?
Really has been an astonishing game, peppered with goals. You cannot help feeling that the second half will supply more. And that's the start of another 45 minutes. Oh, that is asking for trouble.
Yeah? Allah.
Neuer. Forward pass, and help's available out wide. Dzeko. Cruyff. Dzeko. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's a throw. And it's Fellaini. Casemiro. Yeah. Now it's Dzeko. It's a loose ball. Good interception. Forward it goes. Fellaini, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Matic. That intervention was very... Goes for goal! And that is doing no harm.
Dzeko simply had to find something
والجوز الواسع
instinctive
أنا عايز.
because of the unexpected. Vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
Looking to pull clear here. Ronaldo, ready to try one. He's gone for it! It's broken loose! TT. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, the ball's come loose! Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Vieira. It's Ronaldinho. with a better ball.
Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
It's Ronaldinho. Oh, it's open chance! Pereira. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. It's Ronaldinho. Oh, that's not the ball he wanted. Sergio Ramos, already of course on the score sheet. Casemiro. Well, needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Vieira. And here's Dzeko. Dzeko. Titi. Mulaney plays it forward. Koulibaly. Ronaldinho. Skriniar demonstrating fabulous determination. He just will not be beaten. Skriniar into the last quarter of an hour. And it's Cruyff. Cruyff, and Neuer pulls off a sensational save!
Looking back on that, it was some save and potentially a big moment for the keeper and this team. Beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Skriniar positions
Abu
himself
Yusuf عيارة
well.
كجرا عيارة كجرا
Titi. Casemiro. Dzeko showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Ronaldinho. Vieira. Sergio Ramos, now a chance to break. Ronaldinho gets it back. Dzeko. He's gone for it! Oh, extraordinary!
I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there.
أنا حاول في اللون عيارة كجرا إنه
Could be a chance here. Mbappe! Oh, taken with style. It is no contest. It is a landslide. That was easy. Almost too easy.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then.
Most come up behind now.
Careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
موس كم بحيك
Mulaney drives it forward. Skriniar. And here's Dzeko. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Now it's Dzeko.
Variety is the spice of footballing life too. They need to alter their approach and start shifting this ball out wide.
Skriniar. Vieira. And it's Dzeko. Casemiro gets into the right position to intercept. Well read, he sorted that out. And time is up. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and